Today is Pizza Wednesday, so we're cooking Turtles pizzas again. This pizza is from episode 45, Super Beebop and Mighty Rocksteady. Toppings, marshmallow and asparagus. So, may as well get on with this. Got my dough ready, so let's dough. So I'll just get this stretched out. Okay, so let's get this topped. So let's top this marshmallow and asparagus pizza. First off, bit of tomato sauce, bit of cheese, some asparagus, and some marshmallow. With this, I'm going to do one side small marshmallows and the other side some larger marshmallow. And there you have one asparagus and marshmallow pizza ready for the oven. So let's put that in the stove. The asparagus and marshmallow pizza is done. This is our asparagus and marshmallow pizza finished. Marshmallows are crisped up quite a lot in the stove. Okay, so let's give the marshmallow and asparagus pizza a taste. I did use larger marshmallows and smaller marshmallows, so I'm going to have to try at least a little bit of each of those just to see whether it changes the flavour or not.
Really? This marshmallow and asparagus topping is truly awesome!
Take a piece with the larger marshmallow. And we'll take a piece with the smaller marshmallow. Let's try the one with the larger marshmallow first. All I can taste is the marshmallow. That was a really big piece of marshmallow, and that's literally just completely overpowered the whole thing. You could not even taste the asparagus, you could not taste the cheese, you could not taste the sauce. It just tasted a bit like a s'more. Try the one with the smaller marshmallows, you might be able to taste a bit more of the asparagus and things on this one. No. Again, marshmallow flavour just completely overpowers everything. You cannot taste anything else on there other than the sweet like creaminess of the marshmallow. Quite surprised by that one actually. I wasn't expecting to like that, but yeah, all you could really taste on it was marshmallow, so it was fine. Yeah. So that will be everything for this episode. I'm going to go and maybe eat a little more of this.
Oh, those turtles! They'll pay dearly for this!